It's a first alert weather day. Darren Peck joins us now in the studio. The rain has started to move in, and this is really just round one of the day.
Good way to think about it. There's going to be some widespread light rain for the morning, but then it's later in the day, in the afternoon and early evening, when some of the more meaningful rain is going to come through. So let's walk you through why we've got a first alert status on today and what to expect from it. That looks pretty impressive. One look at that and you'd go, hey, there's a lot of rain coming our way. In the one sense of that, there is rain possible at any point today, and that would make sense when you look at this. But if we do a closer inspection on this, we're getting some rain in the North Bay now, and you're seeing some of the bands that have been moving across some of the hills over on like West County through Sonoma, Guerneville. You've gotten your share, Sebastopol, you've gotten yours, and if we watch that band of rain just kind of slowly marching its way down like 101. Not terribly heavy, but the streets are going to be wet if you've got to be out in the North Bay this morning. But that is going to start working its way southward for everybody, and we see that in the futurecast. We were looking at San Jose a moment ago. It wasn't raining there now. But you'll get some light rain out of this as we get towards the later morning hours, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. But your totals for the morning, for this first wave, are going to be pretty light. And when we look at this in the first wave, watch what happens. When we let this go past about like 10:30, 11, that first phase comes to an end. Now, there could be some stragglers back here. You get a chance for rain at any point today. But it's really not until we get towards the late afternoon and early evening when the more meaningful rain will come through right here. So 5, 6 o'clock, heavier rain now returns to the North Bay. And then from there works its way down to the Golden Gate by the time we get to like 7, 8 o'clock. And now we've got ourselves with a Saturday night here, first day of a 3-day weekend on an evening, and you're going to be getting some widespread rain that will slow you down on the road. So these are the things to be aware of locally. This does have bigger impacts if you plan on traveling in the Sierra. I'll get to that in 1 second. But in terms of our impact here at home, that's what we really wanted to draw your attention to. It's also going to get windy when that main band of rain comes through between that like 6 o'clock and like 9 o'clock time frame. It'll clear the South Bay by the time we get to midnight. If we look at the totals, we pick up about, perhaps, on an update now, perhaps close to an inch in the North Bay. And that even looks a little more impressive than it did just about an hour ago. And the forecast imagery that I'm showing you here is the high-resolution rapid refresh, meaning it takes all the greatest technology and does an update on a fairly regular basis. So it's already done an update since we've gone on air, and just in the last hour seems to be a little more convinced now the rainfall totals will be a little closer to an inch for the North Bay. That's enough in one day that you'll get some ponding of water on the roadway. That would be more likely with that evening band of rain that comes through. And then when we look at the South Bay, the city, the peninsula, this fits in line with what this system has looked like it was going to do for at least the last 3 days. Better rain in the North Bay, and about a ½ an inch of rain now for everybody else. Okay, that covers the rain. We'll be done by tomorrow. You're not getting rain on Sunday. But let's come back to today because there is still an issue with the wind. If we visualize the system differently, let's get rid of the rain. Look at the wind field within it. Remember that 7 o'clock when the better organized rain comes through? Look at the heavier shades of orange on there for the stronger wind that will accompany that. Let's come in for a closer look and watch that one again. So really between about 5 o'clock, 9 o'clock, when that front comes through, that secondary front comes through with that better rain in the evening, it's going to get windy then too. So we'll pick up 20 to 30 mile an hour winds to go along with that. There's no wind advisory, but you're going to notice it gets breezy. Here's the other impact. It is day one of a 3-day weekend for Martin Luther King Jr. Day on Monday. Saturday is going to be a difficult day to travel in the mountains. We're going to pick up another foot of snow at higher elevations, and snow level will be down to around 5,000 feet. So keep that in mind. If you can skip that drive today, I think you'll be glad you did. If you can go up tomorrow, you'll be much better off. So there's that 7-day forecast, Max, and you can see first alert for everything we just outlined. And then, yeah, there's another weak little system coming in on Tuesday. It doesn't look like a big deal at all. Just a few light showers from that one. And that's really about it. There's nothing else really coming our way.
So, Darren, just if we can focus in on the North Bay for a minute. We've got this first round of rain coming in. I take it that'll, put some moisture in the ground, lock it in. But it's when that second band comes in later today, is that when we'll start to see some pooling and ponding in the roads and maybe even some flooding concerns? Yeah,
that'd be more likely. And for those two reasons, it'll be heavier rain. And in the rural areas, in the hills of Sonoma County, you've already got saturated ground. And when that heavier band comes through, you could see some minor rises on streams and creeks with that kind of rain. And then for the rest of us, that second wave in the evening, if you were going to get like some ponding of water on roadways, maybe some low-lying intersections, it would come in the North Bay, and it would come between like 5 o'clock and 9 o'clock tonight.
Okay, good time frames to know. Darren Peck, appreciate it. We'll check in a little bit.
Okay.
Freeze